Chapter 2. Let's rock.
Can you rock with me? Oh, baby, not stopping me. Can you take it to the top of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking loving you, baby. Can you roll with me? Oh, baby, all over me. Can you take...
Guys, welcome back to my channel. We are on the road to 1K, so go ahead and join today by clicking that red subscribe button. Today I am bringing you guys another video on, this time, me doing a braid out on my sister locks. So I am just using water and mousse for this style. I'm using the Lotta Body with Milk Honey mousse to, lock in the style and the braids, make sure they hold nice and well. And I just grab a small section of my hair and start braiding. It's interesting that everybody braids differently, but for me, this is the easiest. And your girl was super concentrated on that first braid. I was not playing, y'all. You see how serious my face is? I am ready to do my whole head and get this done and done. At this point, y'all, I was just trying to stay awake. It was kind of late, but I realized that I couldn't try to do this in the morning and then take them out a couple hours later since I was recording the next day. So I was just trying to keep my eyeballs open, y'all. Okay, so then I realized from what I've seen, I was like, let me go grab my rubber bands. Because at first I was going to be like, they're okay. But I remember my loose natural days and was like, no, if I never curl my ends for bantu knots or two-strand twist, if I didn't do anything on my ends, then it never came out the way that I wanted it to. So I was like, let me go ahead and put these rubber bands in as the last step. But as you know, this is optional. I've seen it done without the rubber bands and it came out perfectly fine for a lot of people. But this was just something I wanted to try for me, and next time I will see what they look like without them. Some of these are different sizes, but don't even worry about that today. We were lucky to get these braids in this head, but I would say when I counted, it was about 15 to 20 braids I believe that I did. All right, this was the moment that I was like, okay, what are these about to look like, y'all? What are these about to look like? So as I started taking them out, at first I was like, what's about to happen? But then as I moved along, I really liked how they turned out, and I am extremely happy that I ended up curling my ends with the rubber band, because I don't think I would have liked them otherwise. So yes. Alright, so this is the final look. I was just trying to like give it a little bit more volume, but what I did notice is it was a lot fuller on day 2, 3, and so on, and so I super love them. Then maybe I'll do a video and show you guys what that looks like next time, but I did like day 1 as well. Alright, y'all, I don't know how I ended up with 3 shirts, but that's besides the point. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, and see you next time.